students, welcome to the e-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Children, I Tapas sir going to teach class 5 students moral science. Today's lesson number 5, work and money. This is the last lesson for your half yearly exam course, children. Work and money. Now let's begin the story. Sarbjit had a piece of land on which he practiced agriculture. He was a very hard-working farmer. As a result, he used to earn money, good money. He was capable enough to buy things of his need, so he was happy with his life. He had one big worry in his life, his son, Hardeep. Hardeep was not only lazy, but he also looked down on any kind of work. He treated the other boys badly. One day he threw away a simple gift given to him by a shepherd boy. Sarbjit grew angry. This story is about a farmer, a hard-working farmer named Sarbjit. As you know from the name of that person, it is story of Punjab, Sikh people. So he is a farmer from Punjab named Sarbjit. He was very hard-working person. He, from his piece of agricultural land, he earned good money, and with those money he had a very good life. He could do whatever he liked for the good of his family, for his family members. He had a very happy life in economic condition point of view, but he was having a very big worry or problem regarding his only son Hardeep. He was a lazy as well as a boy who don't respect any type of work. He thinks most of the work to be inferior in his eyes. One day it happened that one of a shepherd boy, gave him a gift, because shepherd boys are generally very poor. So according to his standard, he gave the gift. But Hardeep threw away the gift. When his father Sarbjit saw this, he got very angry on his son. Sarbjit called his son and said, "From now on, you must earn your every meal, work and bring back 10 rupee if you want your next meal." Now Sarbjit told his son Hardeep that today onwards you arrange money for the meal you take at home. Hardeep did not know what to do. As he wandered down the road, he met his grandmother. She gave him a 10 rupee note and said, "Here, buy yourself something." Hardeep ran home with the money, but his father said, "Throw it away, Hardeep," and puzzled, but he did as he was told. Now Hardeep was thinking how to earn money. As he was lazy, he never thought of doing any type of work. He was wandering on the road when he met his grandmother. His grandmother gave him a 10 rupee note and told him to buy whatever he liked. But he ran to home with the 10 rupee note and gave to his father. But his father threw away the money. Hardeep was in dilemma. He was in puzzle. Why it happened so? Why his father, who told him to earn money, when I came with the money, why he threw away the money? No, now go once again and earn something, said father. Hardeep set out again. This time he met a friend. Here the friend said, giving him a 5 rupee coin. Here is the money I borrowed from you last week. Now once again, when his father threw the 10 rupee note given by his grandmother to him, he went once again in search of money. How to arrange money, he could not understand what to do. That time he met one of his friends on the road, who gave him a 5 rupee coin and told to him that once he had borrowed that money from him, now he is returning him back. Hardeep ran home with once again, but this time too Sarabjit said, throw it away. Hardeep obeyed his father. Once again Sarabjit sent him out to earn his next meal. Now when he went back with that 5 rupee coin and gave to his father told him, throw it away. And as his father gave him the order, he went to the window and threw the 5 rupee coin. And he told, go and earn money if you want to have the meal. This time an old woman stopped him near the market. Child, can you carry my bag up to my house? She asked. I am too tired and they are heavy. Hardeep picked up the heavy bag and followed her. When they reached her house, the old woman thanked him and gave him some money. Now, while he was wandering on the road again, searching for money, Hardeep met an old lady who was returning back from the market having heavy bags. She was unable to carry the bags as they were too much heavy. She told to Hardeep, can you help me, child? Can you take these bags to my home? Hardeep told, okay, I am there to help you. When she took the bags and to the old woman's house, that time the old woman was so much happy that somebody helped him, because it was not easy for her to carry the heavy bags. So for that help, that lady gave some money to Hardeep. At home, Hardeep showed his father the money. Again his father said, throw it into the dustbin. But this time Hardeep said, father, I got it for carrying an old woman's bag. It may be a small amount, but I earned it. I want to keep it. Now once again when he gave that money to his father told, throw it into the dustbin. That time Hardeep told to his father, father, this is the money which I have earned from my hard work. Maybe it is small amount in front of you, but this is my first income, so I don't want to throw it. I want to keep it. Sarabjit smiled and said, now go have your dinner. You know now the value of money that is earned. The shepherd boy's gift was bought out of money that he had earned. It was precious. Hardeep's eye filled with tears. I understand now, he said. All kind of work are important, and money that is earned is priceless. Now, when he told his father that I want to keep the money with me because I have earned it from my hard work, Sarabjit smiled and said, now you can have your dinner, because now you have understood the value of money. Unless you earn from your hard work, you can't understand the value of each and every penny you earn. That shepherd boy also gave the gift to you, maybe in eyes of you, your eyes, it may be very cheap thing because he is a poor shepherd boy. But whatever he earned from that money only he bought the gift for you. It is precious for the shepherd boy because it is the money which he earned from his hard work. From that money only he gave you the gift, but you threw it away without giving respect to his hard work. Now Hardeep, eye filled with tears, now he could understand that how much pain a person will have if somebody will throw away his gift which he had bought from his hard earned money. Now he understood why his father told him to go out and earn money to have the meal. Now onwards he gave respect to every work he did or every person who does any work, and every money is important for him, whether it is 1 rupee or 10 rupee, because they are simply earned through hard work, and every money is priceless because you cannot earn a single penny without your hard work. This lesson was taught by Sarabjit to his son Hardeep, and Hardeep also understood the moral of the story is the kind of work we do does not matter. What matter is what we do the work well. So moral of the story is whatever work we do, whether it is small or big, it does not matter, because the work which we do, what result it brings, how we do or how well we do that work, or how we benefited, how we may give benefit to other from our work, it matters. It may be small work, but if it benefits someone else, it is important work than any other thing. Okay children, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Have a good day.